Welcome back. You've done incredible work so far. In the last lesson, you identified your core values and explored how they align with your strengths. Today, we're taking the next step by connecting these insights to real-world opportunities. We'll align your strengths and values with career paths that not only excite you, but also feel meaningful and fulfilling. Your strengths show what you're capable of, and your values highlight what matters most to you. Together, they create a powerful guide to finding roles that align with your authentic self. By the end of this lesson, you have actionable insights and tools to identify opportunities that truly resonate with you. Let's dive in. Let's begin by bringing everything together. Open your life reflection journal and review your unique strength profile from lesson 2 and your core values from lesson 3. Take a moment to reflect on how your strengths and values complement each other. For example, if one of your strengths is creativity and the core value is innovation, you might thrive in roles that involve brainstorming new ideas or designing creative solutions. Think about how your strengths empower you to live out your values. To explore this further, use AI to generate career ideas. Open ChatGPT and try this prompt. Here's my unique strength profile. Paste the profile and my core values. Paste values. Based on this, can you suggest career paths or industries that align with both? Please include specific roles and explain why they would resonate with me. As you can see, ChatGPT has provided a detailed list of career paths that align with both my strengths and values. The AI has grouped these suggestions into categories like leadership-focused roles, purpose-driven opportunities, and roles that leverage my adaptability or strategic execution skills. These suggestions are highly personalized to reflect the unique combination of your profile and values, offering options that resonate with both your professional strengths and your deeper motivations. Now, take a moment to reflect on the suggestions you received from your prompt. Notice which roles stand out to you. Are there any that spark excitement or curiosity? You might see connections between your values and career paths that you hadn't considered before. Or you might already have a general sense of where you want to focus your energy. It's also a great idea to think about the industries mentioned, whether you're drawn more to social impact, tech innovation, leadership development, or any other areas. Take some time to explore these results in depth. Use these insights as a guide for what resonates with your personal and professional aspirations and document the paths that feel most aligned with your goals in your life reflection journal. Now that you have some direction, we'll move on to the next step where you can further refine these paths and create a concrete action plan for pursuing them. Type in the following prompt in ChatGPT. Can you provide detailed examples of how my strengths and values could be applied in these roles? Include scenarios or tasks that match my profile. As I scroll through my results, you'll notice how ChatGPT connects each of my core strengths and values with real-world career roles. In the first example, the AI maps out a day-in-the-life scenario for a leadership development specialist. I'm designing a growth-focused program, guiding sessions and using empathy and strategy to help new leaders thrive. As a product manager, I'm leading a team through a last-minute crisis, staying calm under pressure, adapting quickly, and making clear decisions that align with purpose and progress. These scenarios are especially helpful because they give me a glimpse of what these roles feel like in action. They're not just job titles, they're environments where my strengths can shine and my values can guide decisions. Now that you've tried this prompt yourself, you'll see a customized response based on your own strengths and values, just like what's being shown here in the example. Take a moment to read through your own results. Notice how ChatGPT brings your profile to life through real-world scenarios. Document the AI suggestions in a new section of your life reflection journal titled Career Alignment. Now that you've identified potential career paths, let's focus on finding opportunities in today's job market. Open ChatGPT again and use this prompt. Based on my unique strength profile and core values, can you identify in-demand roles or industries where I could thrive? Please highlight emerging fields or growth opportunities. In the first example, it suggested roles in organizational development and people strategy where my empathy, leadership, and strategic thinking can help shape workplace cultures. Next, it points to climate and sustainability innovation, a growing field that aligns with our purpose-driven mindset and interest in responsible growth, and so on. The AI then lists other fields such as mental health, wellness, and human flourishing, human-centered tech and the future of work, and roles in coaching, facilitation, and leadership development. These all tap into my core strengths and values, offering opportunities in industries that are evolving and focus on meaningful impact. Now take a moment to look at the response generated for you based on your unique strengths and core values. Review the roles and industries identified and think about how they align with your own aspirations and vision for the future. This is a great opportunity to identify which paths excite you and where your strengths can make the most impact. Document these insights in your career alignment section. Note any roles or industries that excite you and reflect on how they align with your personal and professional goals. The next step is to turn these insights into a concrete plan. Think about the roles or industries that resonate with you most. What excites you about them? What might feel challenging? Use this prompt in ChatGPT to start shaping your action plan. Here are the roles or industries I'm interested in. Paste the list. Based on these, can you help me create a step-by-step action plan to pursue them? Include strategies for skill building, networking, and applying effectively. As you can see, based on the roles and industries I'm interested in, the AI has crafted a detailed step-by-step action plan to help me pursue them. For example, to pursue a leadership development program lead role, the plan emphasizes building expertise in coaching and mentorship, program management, and emotional intelligence. It also suggests connecting with HR professionals, attending conferences, and tailoring my resume to highlight relevant experience. The AI also offers similar action plans for other roles like organizational development consultant, people and culture strategist, executive coach, and social innovation consultant. Each role includes tailored strategies from specific skills to focus on the best networking opportunities in the field. Take a moment to review the action plan for your chosen roles and industries. This is a valuable time to think through what skills you need to develop, who you should connect with, and how to approach your job applications effectively. Reflect on how the steps laid out in the plan can help you advance toward your career goals. Keep in mind, we'll dive deeper into areas like skill development, networking strategies, and job application tactics in later lessons. For now, focus on understanding the broad steps and how they align with your aspirations. Make sure to document these steps in your career alignment section under a subheading titled Action Plan. Take your time working through this exercise. The clearer your plan, the easier it will be to take actionable steps towards your goals. To wrap up this lesson, consolidate everything you've worked on into your life reflecting journal. In the next module, we'll focus on long-term growth, exploring how to continually align your career with your evolving strengths and values. Until then, keep building on what you have learned and remember you have everything you need to create a fulfilling, purpose-driven career. See you in the next lesson.